In today's digital age, creating images has become remarkably accessible, thanks to innovative tools like Midjourney. With the ability to effortlessly generate images from text descriptions, Midjourney exemplifies the seamless fusion of artificial intelligence and creative expression. This transformative tool empowers users to bring their ideas to life with unprecedented ease and precision, revolutionizing the way we conceptualize and produce visual content. Now let's delve into the fascinating world of Midjourney. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insightful videos on the latest innovations in technology and creativity. Stay tuned for exciting updates, tutorials, and tips to enhance your digital creativity journey. Introduction to Midjourney. Midjourney is a cutting-edge AI-powered text-to-image tool that has garnered significant attention within the creative community during its beta phase. Leveraging advanced artificial intelligence techniques, Midjourney excels in transforming basic textual descriptions into vivid and realistic images, pushing the boundaries of what's achievable in digital creativity. This innovative tool is particularly appealing to artists, designers, and other creative professionals seeking to visualize their ideas quickly and effectively. By simply inputting text descriptions, users can generate detailed and visually compelling images, sparking inspiration and streamlining the creative process. Midjourney's appeal lies in its ability to produce not only accurate representations, but also creative interpretations of text. Its AI algorithms are trained to understand nuances in language and translate them into visually captivating imagery, offering users a versatile platform for expressing their ideas. Moreover, Midjourney's presence in the beta phase has attracted a sizable following, with users eagerly exploring its capabilities and providing feedback for further improvements. As it continues to evolve and refine its algorithms, Midjourney holds the promise of revolutionizing the way creative professionals approach image generation, offering a powerful and intuitive tool for unleashing their artistic vision. Midjourney, a groundbreaking AI-powered text-to-image tool, offers a plethora of features that empower users to create stunning visuals with unparalleled flexibility and control. Let's delve into 5 key features that set Midjourney apart. Number 5. Artistic style diversity. One of Midjourney's standout features is its ability to generate images in a wide array of artistic styles. Whether users seek a realistic depiction, a surreal composition, or an abstract interpretation, Midjourney delivers with remarkable fidelity. This versatility allows artists, designers, and creators to explore various aesthetics and experiment with different visual approaches, enhancing their creative expression. Number 4. Creative control. Midjourney grants users a high degree of creative autonomy over the generated images. From specifying the size and resolution to fine-tuning the aspect ratio and other details, users have the power to tailor the output to their exact specifications. This level of control enables precise customization, ensuring that the generated images seamlessly integrate into their intended projects, whether it's for digital art, graphic design, or multimedia presentations. Number 3. Textual input. Central to Midjourney's functionality is its text-to-image generation process. Users can input descriptive text, providing Midjourney with the foundation for creating visual representations. This streamlined approach eliminates the need for complex manual drawing or modeling, making image generation a seamless and efficient process. Whether describing landscapes, characters, objects, or abstract concepts, users can rely on Midjourney to translate their words into captivating visuals. Number 2. Adaptive learning. Midjourney harnesses the power of adaptive learning algorithms to continuously improve its image generation capabilities. Through iterative training on vast datasets of visual and textual inputs, Midjourney refines its understanding of diverse artistic styles and semantic nuances. This ongoing learning process enhances the accuracy, realism, and creativity of the generated images, ensuring that users receive compelling results that exceed their expectations. Number 1. Community engagement. Beyond its technical prowess, Midjourney fosters a vibrant community of artists, designers, and enthusiasts. Through forums, social media channels, and collaborative projects, users can share their experiences, exchange insights, and showcase their creations. This sense of community not only enriches the user experience, but also inspires collaboration and innovation, driving the evolution of Midjourney as a dynamic platform for creative exploration. Tutorial. To begin using Midjourney on Discord, first sign up for a Discord account and then register for Midjourney, accepting the invitation to the Midjourney Discord channel. Once there, navigate to a #newbies channel and type /subscribe to opt into Midjourney services. Choose a suitable plan if prompted, then return to Discord and utilize the /imagine command in the designated channel to start generating images based on text descriptions. After generating an image, edit and upscale it as needed using external tools, and finally, save the completed creation for future use or sharing within Discord or other platforms. Advantages: versatile visual output. Midjourney excels in producing visually stunning images across various styles, catering to a wide range of artistic preferences and project requirements. Flexible artistic expression. Its capacity to render in almost any style empowers users to explore and experiment with diverse visual aesthetics, fostering creativity and enabling the realization of unique artistic visions. Efficient remixing capability. Midjourney's ability to blend multiple images and preserve key features with minimal training data enhances efficiency, enabling users to create compelling compositions with fewer resources and time investment. Intuitive user experience. With its user-friendly interface and intuitive commands, Midjourney offers a seamless and accessible experience for both novice and experienced users, facilitating efficient workflow and quick adaptation. Advanced AI technology. Powered by cutting-edge AI algorithms, Midjourney leverages state-of-the-art techniques in image generation and manipulation, ensuring high-quality output and continuous improvement through adaptive learning. These technological advancements position Midjourney as a leading tool in the field of AI-driven creative content generation. Midjourney offers a multitude of practical applications across various industries and creative endeavors. Some notable uses of Midjourney include: 1. Graphic design. Midjourney can be utilized by graphic designers to quickly generate visual assets for branding, marketing materials, social media posts, and website design. Its ability to produce images in different styles allows designers to experiment with diverse visual concepts and rapidly iterate on design ideas. 2. Content creation. Content creators, including bloggers, YouTubers, and social media influencers, can leverage Midjourney to enhance their content with visually appealing images. Whether it's creating thumbnails, featured images, or accompanying illustrations for articles and videos, Midjourney streamlines the process of generating compelling visuals to engage audiences. 3. E-commerce. Midjourney can be employed by e-commerce businesses to generate product visuals for online stores and marketing campaigns. By describing product features and specifications in text, businesses can quickly generate realistic product images to showcase merchandise to potential customers, enhancing the overall shopping experience. 4. Education and training. In educational settings, Midjourney can serve as a valuable tool for visual learning and instructional purposes. Teachers and educators can use Midjourney to create visual aids, educational materials, and interactive presentations to enhance lesson plans and engage students in visual storytelling. 5. Research and development. In research and development fields such as architecture, fashion design, and product prototyping, Midjourney can aid in visualizing conceptual designs and prototypes. Researchers and developers can use Midjourney to generate realistic renderings and visual representations of their ideas, facilitating communication and collaboration in the design process. Disadvantages. 1. Standardization of output. AI algorithms, including those powering Midjourney, are designed to analyze patterns and generate outputs based on learned data. While this ensures consistency and efficiency, it may lead to a certain level of standardization in the generated images. The unique flair and individuality inherent in human creativity may be compromised as the AI tends to follow learned patterns and common trends, potentially resulting in a lack of distinctiveness in the creative output. 2. Limited intuition and context understanding. Human creativity often involves intuition, emotional context, and an understanding of subtle nuances that AI may struggle to fully grasp. Midjourney's reliance on algorithms means it may not comprehend the intricate layers of meaning, emotions, or cultural references embedded in creative concepts. This limitation could result in a loss of the depth and richness that human creativity brings to artistic endeavors. 3. Inability to respond to dynamic changes. Human creatives possess the ability to adapt and respond dynamically to changing project requirements, client feedback, or evolving artistic visions. AI, including Midjourney, operates within the confines of its training data and may struggle to flexibly adapt to unforeseen circumstances or creative shifts. This inflexibility could hinder the iterative and collaborative nature of creative projects. 4. Risk of over-reliance on AI-generated concepts. Depending heavily on AI-generated concepts might lead to a potential over-reliance on the technology. This overdependence may discourage creative exploration and limit the range of ideas considered as users may become accustomed to the outputs generated by the AI. This could stifle innovation and the discovery of novel, unconventional creative solutions. 5. Missing the element of serendipity. Human creativity often involves moments of serendipity, unexpected connections, and spontaneous inspiration. Midjourney, being driven by algorithms and trained data, may lack the ability to introduce the element of surprise or serendipitous discoveries that human creators bring to the table. This absence of unforeseen and unplanned elements may result in a more predictable and less dynamic creative process. Conclusion. In conclusion, Midjourney represents a remarkable fusion of cutting-edge AI technology and creative expression, offering users a powerful platform to transform text into visually captivating images. While its AI-driven capabilities provide efficiency and versatility in image generation, it's essential to acknowledge the potential compromise in the depth and uniqueness of human creativity. As we navigate this dynamic landscape of digital innovation, let's remember to strike a balance between harnessing the capabilities of AI tools like Midjourney and preserving the irreplaceable touch of human ingenuity in our creative endeavors. To stay updated on the latest developments in AI-driven creativity and to explore more insightful content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Together, let's continue exploring the frontiers of technology and creativity with Midjourney as our guide.